Mr. Akinwumi Ambode at the rally noted that Adekunle had produced musicians and footballers of international repute. He promised that his government, if voted into power, will emphasize on the discovery of more talents in the area through creation of an enabling environment.
Go give una sports center, even the one where it look like Maracana Stadium, you come here. You don't say that one day for Tolu. Beyond that one, you know some of these artists where they sing, they're plenty for this area. So we go bring plenty entertainment center come this place. I mean, you know, I don't want. Now waiting anything we now want, now we go give you now.
Lagos State Governor Mr. Abatunde Fashola urged residents to support Akinwumi Ambode for a better succession for his administration.
We have survived by peaceful coexistence. We have been our brother's keeper. When we are picking from the talent that God has chosen to drop in this unique local government, talent of football, talent of boxing, talent of artists. Nobody remembers where anybody comes from. Nobody asks Amunike's religion when it's calls for Nigeria. We live together. We have done so for hundreds of years.
Also at the rally were the party's candidates for the House of Representatives and State Assembly.